Hi there. Thank you for watching this video. I am Sonia Nadina Haynes, emotional healing therapist and author. I am a psychic or intuitive. I am a medium. Many people, well, I'm a small, but you know. Many people say, oh, I need to find a happy medium. Well, you've got me. Anyway, I was born an intuitive, but 17, 18 years ago in 1996, so I'll try and do the math a little bit, I was turned on to my intuitive gifts. I was always scanning or reading people before. Before I took this path, I was a fashion designer. I studied at the Fashion Institute of Technology, and as a fashion designer, bridal wear designer and formal wear designer, I could see my clients in the garment that they would wear at the day of the event, which of course when they came to me for an appointment, I would see them either walking down the aisle or greeting guests at an event, and I would start to sketch and they'd say, how did you know? I wasn't aware that that was actually a gift or a skill or anything like that. I just basically did what I did well. My life has created the person that I am, and I'm really pleased to actually be able to share that gift with you. I've traveled quite extensively, and I've met many people, and I've had the opportunity to talk to people, to connect with people. So thank you for joining me. I look forward to meeting up with you in the next videos.